So you might be trying to go ahead and actually make videos private or public on TikTok, it doesn't matter. You can do it simply from your iPhone or Android devices. There is only one way to do it. If you post your TikTok videos and you want to change privacy for these videos. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, first make sure that the app has been updated to the last version, because the older version of the app may not have some options. To update your app to the last version, you need to find an App Store or Play Store. If you have found the App Store, means your device on iOS system. If you have found the App Play Store, means your device on the Android system. Now open these apps. On the Android system, tap on profile icon at the top right corner. Then I prepare for you example what we need to do. You just tap on App Store and Game, as you can see like on this screenshot. And then you will see all available updates for your device at the moment. And you just tap on update here one by one, or update all your available updates for your device. On the iOS system, go all the way App Store. Tap on profile at the top right corner here. You should press and hold on any space of the screen and swipe from top to down, like I. As you can see, we reload this page. Just tap on update all. Perfect. Open up TikTok app. Go to your profile. Tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply, you should find any videos that you want to change his privacy. So you can see 3 vertical lines. This means here will be showed the video on public privacy. If you go to this lock icon, this means you'll be able to see your private video on this section. So simply open up any on which one you want to change your privacy. In any video, you'll be able to see 3 little dots. Simply tap on it. From a period menu, you'll be able to see at the bottom some different options. So we should swipe from right to left and find privacy settings. Tap on it and you'll be able to see who can watch this video. By default selected everyone, but we can change it and select only me. That means for now this video should be private, and if you go to lock it icon, here is private video. And simply if you want to unprivate your video, again open up this video or any another video, then tap on 3 dots and swipe from right to left and you'll be able to see privacy settings. Tap on it and then select who can watch this video and select everyone, or if you want you can select friends. This means only followers that you follow back so can see this video. So simply select one of these, everyone or only for your friends. If you go back, and this video will be removed from private videos to your public videos. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.